So guys, this was my channel a week ago and this is it now. Guys, within a week, let me just say within the space of a week and some days, I was able to achieve 2.5k subscribers. That is at the time I am doing this video. Maybe if I'm editing it now, the subscribers might have gone up. For real, the subscribers might have gone up. And truth be told, then when I started doing the trick I'm about to reveal to you, I did not screenshot my dashboard, because if I have done that, at the time I was having 133 subscribers. But when I started the trick, you can see my subscribers now on my other channel, not this one, my blogging channel. See, there's one thing about YouTube, and when YouTube start pushing your video, continue with that thing you are doing. Continue, don't stop, because if you stop, if you take a break and you come back, it might take a while before YouTube will continue. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you, or I'm going to be telling you how I was able to achieve 1,000 or more than 1,000 subscribers on my blogging channel within the space of 7 days. A week, within the space of 7 days. For those of you that think getting subscribers is hard, getting subscribers and watch hour, it's really hard. In today's video, I'll be telling you that it's not hard. You just need to know the trick. So you need to watch this video from beginning to end for you to know how to get 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers in the space of a month. So guys, the secret here is I'll be showing you. Yeah, these are the things. You can see this is not restream. This is not silent live stream. This is my live stream, me going live with my face. So I started last 2 weeks. I decided to start taking my blogging channel seriously. I've been taking it seriously. I've been posting on it, no doubt. But yeah, the watch hour, I think at that time I was having 60 watch hour. Yes, last week I was having 60 watch hour. So I told myself, Glory, you need to get this channel monetized and focus on your other channel, because I need to have at least 3 channels. Yes, you don't know which one is going to do very well. So if you are dying on one channel, oh, this channel, I need to build this channel must, after getting monetized, oh, I must get views, I must just keep posting and start building another channel. So I told myself I must, at least before the end of this year, I must have 3 monetized channel. So I said, Glory, let's start live streaming, because live streaming is the best. If you have not gotten a viral video and you are live streaming adds to your watch hour. I told myself I'll start live streaming. And since that my channel is vlogging, is my lifestyle channel, so I told myself anything, I'll just be vlogging, I'll just be live streaming, sorry. So I started live streaming. At least I was getting low views. I think the first time after like a month ago I live streamed, and the first one I did was just 18 minutes. I got 129, the second 73. I told myself I will not stop. You can see I was just going live. This one 26. Then all of a sudden I started getting 916 within 5 hours. I live streamed for 5 hours. I think when I was going to bed, I streamed myself sleeping. Yes, you need to wear good clothing so that you're not going to naked yourself. Stream myself sleeping. In the morning I woke up, I live stream. I got 800. I was just doing it back to back, and you can see I started getting views. I was shocked. And as I started getting the views, I told myself I am not going to give up. All of a sudden, 3, 5, 17,000. Like, I was shocked. 17,000, 11,000, 24,000. I got 30,000. I was just, you can see, guys, you can just see it. You can see it. I make sure I screen record it so that you can see. This was yesterday. Happy Sunday, and the other ones I did, I think they are still loading. They have not yet uploaded. 10,000. So, guys, this is the secret. When you start live streaming and YouTube is pushing your live stream, don't stop. You know you want to achieve your goal of 4,000. See, this will help lifestyle content more, like people that are into lifestyle channel. It will help you because you know it's lifestyle. Anything you do, you can just live stream. If you have 2 phones, like I have 3 phones. I do this one. Anytime I'm going to bed, I'll just put it. The people are commenting, they watch me sleep. So that is another way of getting your 4,000 watch hour. And don't say when you start, oh, I'm busy. Just try your best. If you want to sleep, live stream. Continue. Don't hold on for like you want to say I'll pause for 2 weeks, I'll pause for 3 days. Don't do it, because if you do it, YouTube might stop recommending your live stream when you come back. So as they have start, like now, this is what I'm going to do. Even I know very sure I'll get monetized. I think end of this week, if I continue like this, because sometimes in a live stream I get 100 and something watch hour. Currently, I'm having 1,400 watch hour in the space of a week. That is what I got without using restream, without using silent live stream, just my face, normal live stream on YouTube. And if I do it like this week, trust me, I'll get to 3,000. I'll get to 3,000, if not 4,000. That is if I get, and maybe I get more watch hour if I continue back to back, if not 3,000. So guys, when you start, live streaming is one of the best way. Even if you are not in lifestyle content, if you have the mind of doing rich stream, you can actually go for this. Live stream yourself, sleeping, whatever you are doing. Just make sure you dress decent. That's just all. Make sure you dress decent. Do this. Then when you get monetized, you don't need to private all those videos, because it is your video, and one of them, they will still be earning you money. That is just the best part of this. Like, the best part of this, they will still be earning you money. If people keep watching them, they will still be earning you money, because it's your video. It's not restreamed that maybe you want to use another person's video and look and all. So this is what I am doing currently on my vlogging channel. I said, why not come and tell my people they should go into it? Live streaming is just the best way to achieve your watch hour, to achieve your subscribers. Can you see the subscribers I got in this live stream? This one. What about this? I said I've been screenshotting them. Normally I wasn't screenshotting, but I said no, I need to come and tell my people. So I started screenshotting them. So guys, you need to up on this. You need to start going live, and when you start getting the views, yes, it will start from low. If you maybe you have not gone live stream before, to start from low views, from low it will start increasing, to start boosting up. And as it's boosting up, don't hold on, don't wait, don't say you want to pause. Continue back to back. Maybe if you now achieve your goal, you cannot say you want to pause. But me, I am not pausing for anything. As I get monetized, I will still keep doing the live stream, because I know, my subscribers are already telling me that get monetized on time, so that will come and gift you, so that will come and send you gifts on your live stream. And also YouTube will still pay me. On my old live stream, if I still start getting views when I get monetized, if people are still watching it, YouTube will still pay me, because it's my video, it's nobody's video. That's just the best part of it. You don't need to privatize it. It's not maybe restream that you want to use someone else's video, and maybe you now privatize it after you get monetized. But this is your own video, so you will just leave it on your channel. People will still watch, and it will still earn you revenue. So guys, that is what is going on. I said, let me tell my people, and that is the end of today's video. If this video actually helped you or encourage you in one way or another to use live stream to get your watch hour and your subscribers, guys, please like the video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for now? Subscribe to the channel. And lastly, if you have any question for me, kindly put it on the comment section. Leave it on the comment section. I am going to reply when I see it, and that will be all for now. See you all on my next video. Bye.